Hi everyone! It's the week of June 8th. It's our last full week of 4th grade together. Rue says hello! So I want to go over this week's math work with you. You're going to have a lot of choices. We will be reviewing different skills from 4th grade and skills that will help you to be successful in 5th grade. You're going to choose the work that you do this week, so I'm counting on you to be responsible, to listen to your parents, and to work just as hard on your math work this week as you have been doing all along. All right, let me show you what I have for you in Moodle this week. So when you go to your Math Moodle page this week, I've made a new section, and it's going to be the first section at the top of your Math Moodle page. So after you scroll through all the beginning resources here, the first section is called Wrapping Up 4th Grade Math. Then I have your distance learning for each day this week. Here we have Monday, June 8th. You are going to choose two. Choose two activities to do today. What do you need the most help with? Now today, Monday, we're going to be working on multiplication. Very important that you have good skills in multiplication for going into 5th grade. It doesn't matter if you are doing partial products or traditional. I just want you to have a successful strategy for multiplication. Now, what will you do? What do you need the most help with? If you are really struggling and you want to continue with partial products, I have a video on partial products and there's a practice on partial products. And then you can check with the answer key. And the video and the partial products practice would be your two activities for today. Maybe you feel pretty strong with multiplication, so maybe you'll do the 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication practice and check your work. And then you could play the game Multiplication Wrestling. Maybe you are ready for a challenge. So your two activities today could be the enrichment multiplication, which is 3-digit by 2-digit, and then you can play the Multiplication Wrestling game. It's up to you. Which work here would help you the most with multiplication? Then Tuesday, we're going to work with division. Once again, using partial quotients or traditional. It doesn't matter which strategy you use, but I want you to use a strategy that you are successful with. So Tuesday again will be you choose two. Which two activities would help you the most with division? Are you struggling? Why don't you choose the video on partial quotients and then do the partial quotients practice page and check with your answer key. Maybe you're able to work independently on division. Well, I have 2-digit by 1-digit division practice with answer key. I have 3-digit divided by 1-digit practice with answer key. Or maybe you're feeling really strong and up for a big challenge. 4-digit divided by 2-digit? It's up to you. Don't choose work that's too hard or work that's too easy. You choose the work that will help you the most with division today. And then I have the game, Quotient Cafe. So, once again, Tuesday will be you choose two. Wednesday, we will move on to 2-step story problems. Now, 2-step story problems can be tricky. So, I have an easy version of 2-step story problems. Then I have version 2, which is a little bit harder, and version 3, and then an enrichment page of 2-step story problems. That's really hard. So you choose 2 of these activities to do today. and check your work. Thursday. Thursday, you will choose one lesson to complete. What do you need to work on? Lesson 8.5 is on line plots. Lesson 8.6 involves fractions and perimeter. And lesson 8.10 involves fractions and liquid measures. These are in journal pages, so if you have your journal at home, of course you can work in your journal, but I also have the link to a Google Doc with the journal pages that go with each of these lessons and their answer keys. Again, you choose the work that you need the most. I'm really proud of the work that you've been doing in math this year. This week is review and student choice, and I know you're going to do a great job. Monday morning at 10 o'clock to 10:30, I'll also have office hours on Zoom. So if you have any questions or any kind of problem that you want to review with me, I will be available to work with you. All right. Have a great week. Our last full week of 4th grade. Woo!